23, bad lad want to learn English.
Okay, check this out. There's this Porsche, and man, it's a beast. This beauty's got sleek lines and a roaring engine that can make your heart skip a beat. So, my buddy, let's call him Jake. He's always dreamed of owning a Porsche. He's got posters of them all over his room, and he knows every model by heart. One day, we're walking down the street, and guess what we see? A shiny Porsche showroom right in front of us. Jake's eyes practically pop out of his head, and he's like, "Dude, we gotta go in." As we step into the showroom, there they are, Porsches, as far as the eye can see. Jake's in absolute heaven, and I can see the excitement in his eyes. He's like a kid in a candy store, drooling over every single model. The salesperson comes up to us, all professional-like, and starts giving us the whole spiel about each Porsche, the horsepower, the top speed, the fancy features. Jake's hanging on to every word, practically salivating. He finally points to one, the Porsche 911. It's like the holy grail of Porsches, the one he's been dreaming of since he was a kid. And you know what? He decides to take it for a test drive. We hop into that Porsche, and let me tell you, it's like sitting in a spaceship. Jake grips that steering wheel like he's in a race, and we hit the road. The engine growls, and we zoom down the highway like a couple of speed demons. Jake's grinning from ear to ear, and he's like, "This is it, man. I've found my soulmate, the Porsche 911. We go around town, and everyone's turning their heads to check out the Porsche. It's like we're celebrities or something. Jake's on cloud 9, and I can't blame him. This Porsche is a total head-turner. After the test drive, we head back to the showroom, and Jake's got this determined look on his face. He's like, "I'm doing it, man. I'm getting this Porsche." So, he goes ahead, signs the papers, and just like that, the Porsche 911 becomes his. You should have seen the grin on his face. It was priceless. From that day on, Jake and his Porsche are inseparable. He takes it everywhere, and you can bet he's the envy of all his friends. And me. Well, I get to ride shotgun, and let me tell you, it's one wild ride. So, there you have it, the tale of Jake and his dream come true, the Porsche 911. Life's never been the same since that Porsche came into his life, and I gotta admit, I'm loving every minute of it.